You are now almost done by being at your independent practice or exit ticket question for today's lesson. This is where you're going to kind of bring it all together and summarize what you actually learned in your own words using writing and a specific quote. So this question today is asking you to describe and identify one specific barrier, just one, from today's readings that kind of stopped or hurt people specifically from achieving equality and justice after the Civil War. Again, this kind of goes with the main kind of lazy history thing is that after slavery was abolished, everything was good, there was no problems. But as we've seen, this is definitely not the truth and not the case. There were a lot of specific barriers or obstacles to actually achieving equality and freedom that African Americans faced after the Civil War. We looked at specifically them being forced off of the land that was promised to them. That's one option. Next, we also looked at the system of sharecropping and how that kind of restricted people's rights and freedom. And then we also looked at the black codes and kind of how that restricted people's legal rights. So you've kind of got three options based on our three readings that you could describe. But when you describe these, you need to specifically name what the barrier or obstacle was, and then describe how it actually stopped people from achieving equality or freedom, and use a specific quote from the readings and text today to back up your answer. So again, you're describing one, what was a major issue or problem they faced? Two, why was this an issue and how did it actually stop them from achieving equality and freedom? And three, use a quote to back up your explanation of your answer. Make sure you have all these parts. See the sentence stems in the description below this video to help you, and do your very best. I'll see you in the closeout video after the independent practice question video.